So, as you all know, Jonathan likes to keep his hands in his face and at his mouth all the time. So we found these cute little bracelet type things. These are the bendy tubes, and they actually connect to themselves. You can see. And then this is a fidget, just one of the little fidget poppers, but his occupational therapist mentioned that since he does this with his hands, we should get him some kind of chewy something. And so we actually bought these for more sensory type play, but look, works out great for that. Do you like it? Want to show? You need suction. You need suction. So we have your hands up now.